Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten PIN on your Samsung Smart TV. So let's say you're trying to get into this app here, but you need to remember the PIN and you can't remember it. You can say incorrect PIN, it's not even the default one here, 000. What do? Well, first cancel out of this, and you need to be on the home screen here. Now if you have the latest remote like this, the mute button, because we're going to use the mute button, is the volume up and down, but you need to press it inwards. So press that volume up and down button inwards and you'll see it mutes the TV. So press it in and it mutes. So that's the button we need. We need to press a button combination. So let's go ahead and press mute, volume up, return, volume down, then return, then volume up, and then return. Now that should reset your PIN. So we go and try that application again. We should put 000, which is the default. So 4 zeros that is. So 000. And there you go. We've opened up the app because we've reset it. I'll come out of that. If you want to change the PIN, go over to settings, then all settings. Come down to General and Privacy, System Manager, and change PIN. Now, it's been put to default, so we want to put 0000, like that. Now we want to put our new PIN in, so whatever PIN you want. Or you can leave it, press cancel like that, and leave it at 000. It's entirely up to you. So that's how to reset your forgotten PIN on your Samsung Smart TV.